Time to rock and roll. Got my juice, I'm ready to go. Oh, I'm done. Time to go. Just kidding, Cap. Gonna bite me in the butt, I imagine. All right, just a little update. You know, I was kind of giving Kapper a hard time earlier, and they would bite me in the butt. It did. Since I have a short amount of time to work today, I'm gonna try to tackle this. I'm gonna move some dirt down here to get to the single wide back here. I'm gonna kind of clean out here and maybe dig a little ditch, drain off this standing water. I don't know if I'll get the culvert put in today or not. If not, Kapper will here soon. So I'm looking forward to getting his machine muddy. Yeah. Don't blame me, Kapper. It all washes off, but I'll make sure to get it good muddy before you get it traded in. Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. This is Curtis here with Kapper Outdoors. I appreciate you all watching us throughout this.
Hey Curtis, the water's supposed to flow towards the pond and away from the new road.
Kapper can't make it today. I guess he's milking his injuries and
Curtis being a trainee, I'm pretty proud of him. He's making a nice cut.
I went by his house and he was still in bed at 9:30. Shout out to our friend, I believe it's Ed in Jamaica.
I think that's Floyd in Jamaica, Curtis. That's not even close to Ed.
Anyway, guess I didn't get on camera. I picked up a bucket full of dirt. I dumped it. There was a dang hand shovel in there.
Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. This is like part 2 of an all Curtis episode. So you saw a summary of the last episode. He's trying to build this road here. He put a culvert in the last episode, which you could see right up here in the front, and now he's going to do dirt work. However, he is going to find out, unfortunately with my machine, that the dirt was probably still a little too soft by the end of this video. So anyways, if you enjoy our videos, our bantering and fun, of course, and fresh air, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and join our team. So let's see how Curtis finished out this day over here. This was a few days ago at the 8-acre investment farm.
Time to rock and roll. Got my juice, I'm ready to go. Oh, I'm done. Time to go. Just kidding, Cap. Gonna bite me in the butt, I imagine. All right, just a little update. You know how I was kind of giving Kapper a hard time earlier, and they would bite me in the butt. It did. So, Cap, just want to let you know I got sorry, I got your machine stuck. Granted, this is about the maybe 4th time I've ran an excavator in my life. He taught me, so kind of on the job training out here, but I really should have known better. But you know, I did take a risk, and well, here's what happened. I'm stuck. I even tried to get a couple logs and stuff to get back, and yeah. So here's where I put the culvert in over there. Yeah, it's a muddy mess. And I chanced it. Got her stuck there in the back. Kind of show you how deep the ruts are. Got it high centered in the back. That's always great. I can pull myself up there, but I kind of chickened out a little bit. And it's up an incline, so when I go up, the front of the tracks come off the ground. It's kind of an uneasy feeling because number one, I'm not used to it. So hopefully I'll get past that sooner or later. But number two, it's Kapper's machine, so I don't like to risk other people's machine. But he'll be able to get it over that hump right there and get it shaved down and go to the other side. I was trying to get back in the back there where the other mobile home is and then pull some stumps out, but I didn't quite make it today. But so, Cap, I guess the joke's on me. Yep. Guess the old saying is, you ain't working if you don't get stuck. And guess what? I'm stuck. So that's going to be a day for me. I'm leaving out of town in the morning. I'll leave it for you, Cap. I appreciate all your help on this, and I know you can get it out. Here's a little shot. Thanks for tuning in.